Hey, what's going on, people? Welcome to Micronesia. And here we're at Truk Lagoon. We're gonna do some dives here.
So Truk Lagoon was the Japanese naval base during the World War II, and it was attacked by the American Navy during the end of the war, and therefore it has become the world's biggest graveyard for shipwrecks. Let's check it out.
Roaring in from the sea, Navy bombers blast Jap planes before they can leave the ground and destroy their runway.
Alright guys, so that's it for today, and thanks for watching. I'll see you later.